Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you this cheap case for your Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so the name of this case it's Woźnicki Anti-Shock, and that's how the package looks. Let's quickly open it. Okay, and let's take a look for this case. As you can see from the box, we can find here some scratches and other marks. It's not looking good actually right now. I will try to take it off, so give me a second. I'm gonna get this paper towel and try to get rid of that. We can see if there is some kind of the dust or like the greasy marks or just real scratches on the case. Okay, so looks like I cannot remove it, and that's what you get for like $2. Let's try to put it on the phone. Let's see if this case can cover our device. So it was very easy to put it on, as you can see, and when you take a look, for example, on the camera, as you can see, it goes a little bit over the camera lenses, especially right here. So when you swipe with your finger, you can feel that it's like a little bit above the camera set. So it's good point, but for this big lenses right here, it should be a little bit higher because it's almost the same level. Next, we can take a look for the inputs. As you can see at the bottom, we can find input for the USB-C. That's also input for, that's our speaker cover, and input for our S Pen. It works not bad. And in the corners we can find this additional rubber, so it feels like there is additional protection when the phone just falls on this corner. And when you take a look on the screen, it goes a little bit over the screen, so it's also good because when you put the phone on the flat surface, you shouldn't scratch your screen. And right now I can test the buttons. Okay, power key works fine. And the volume buttons, I'm gonna unlock the phone. Okay, so buttons works fine. The power key is also working fine. So yeah, that's this case, not bad, but I'm not sure if I can trust this case. So I guess I will go for something like that. Maybe if you order like better case like Spigen or Urban Armor Gear, and you have to wait for like few days, you can get it in the normal mobile shop for $2 or $3 and just get protection from the scratches. But I guess when your phone is going to hit the ground, I'm not sure if this cheap case gonna help you. Let's try to make small comparison with the Spigen case. That's the Spigen Rugged Armor. Okay, right now I can feel that this one is definitely higher on the edges. Let's try to put it on the phone. Okay, and there's also something that I spot right now, that there is additional grip, and for me it feels better when I'm holding this phone in my hand. So, and it also looks a little bit better for me. Yeah, it's definitely better made. Here you can find this cutout for the lenses. There is big, the case is above the lenses. But if you are interested in this case, you can find our other video. But yeah, that was the quick overview of the Wozinski anti-shock case. Yeah, I'm right. Yeah, Wozinski anti-shock case. So it's flexible and it will probably protect your phone from the scratches, but nothing more. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.